everyone, I'm Carrie, this is Grandma, and today we'll be making two things. We'll be making Yakimochi, which is a grilled mochi that we're going to be putting a couple different sauces on, and we'll also be making Mitarashi Dango, which is more like a savory mochi dish, and you can find it usually in the summers at festivals. And one of the reasons why we're making this is because I know my sister really likes this dish, Kathy, and so she'll be coming over with her kids to make this and to help us make it. And we'll be making it on a Japanese grill outside, which will be really, really fun. And also, Reed's gonna show you how he makes grilled octopus or grilled taco. I remember when we were in Japan, we had it and it was really, really delicious. So looking forward to that. And if you're new to this channel and you like our videos, please make sure to like and subscribe, as we've been posting more and we're just excited to share more of our family and more of our dishes with you. Okay, so we are there's only 3 ingredients that comes in the dango. And so the first ingredients we're gonna be using is Mochiko, which is just regular rice flour that we used to make the chichi dango with. If you watched our chichi dango video. This one is more of like I would say special to Japan. This is called Shiratamako, which is like glutinous rice flour. So it is similar. Do you know the difference, Kathy?
I don't.
Okay, we don't know the difference.
And
but
some more water.
I think it makes it more sticky is what I think. So this recipe is quite simple. All you're going to do is pour the mochiko, shiratamako, and warm water into a bowl and mix gently with your hands. Mix the ingredients together until the consistency of the flour and water becomes dough-like, and roll into a ball. And it kind of looks like mochi. Does this look like mochi, Grandma? Different kind of mochi. So, what am I making? I guess it's mochi.
I never make mochi.
You never make this kind?
No.
You never make this kind? But do you remember eating this kind, right? With the the shoyu sauce on top? Yeah? With the shoyu sauce.
I don't know that.
Grandma, tell the viewers how old are you now?
Maybe I mean long time before, but
Yeah. How old are you? How old are you right now, Grandma? Tell everybody. How old are you?
how old do you think?
I think you're 80 years old.
Huh?
80.
You're young. How old are you?
How old are you?
More than 80.
How old? Do you know? You remember? You remember?
What?
You 97.
Who's taking picture? Yeah.
Yeah, you 97.
Taking memories.
97, but you look good for 97, yeah?
Huh?
You look good for being 97.
I do. Thank you.
You do?
Just making me feel good or what?
Yeah, but
You look young.
you look young though.
Right? Check, make me feel good.
Yeah. Let us know if Grandma looks young. Okay, so it kind of came out now like a ball like this. So now we're gonna put it into small dango shapes.
Wait, now we're gonna make little balls and put them on the pan. I don't know what this feels like. It just wow. Squish it. Squish it. What is that?
It's good at the time.
I think it's like a
Fast. It's not fast. That's why. The kids are making all different shapes of ball sizes. However, if you divide the dough equally, you should be making about 16 pieces of dango with this recipe. And as you can see, this is a great activity for people of all ages to come together and do together as a family. So now we are going to boil the dango, and we're gonna boil it in water. So
kind of like the
when they're cooked, they should float to the top. So Kathy's gonna
kind of like the one dance thing. Like what was that called?
Maybe we make them round, and then we drop them in. Ah!
Can I?
Be careful though, yeah? It's hot. this, we're gonna mix the sauce together. And what we're putting in the sauce, and I'll put all of the...
So what's our first step to put?
I'll put all of the measurements in the description box below, but basically we're putting in shoyu, mirin, water, sugar, and cornstarch, which makes that
cornstarch.
Did I say cornstarch?
Say cornstarch. You've been watching too much of the crown.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. We're putting in cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
And we're boiling it together to make like a nice glaze that we're gonna dump the dango in after.
Okay. Well,
you can start putting. You can put the shoyu in first.
Can I put in the shoyu?
Why don't you put in something else?
Okay. What's our next step? Make sure I read.
We'll use this cute whisk that I found, and as the kids put in, I will whisk. Okay, we're gonna put in something else. Here, put it in.
Okay, I'm gonna pour this in.
Wait. Let's wait a little while. Let's get it heated up then. So mirin is like rice wine. Since cornstarch is a thickening agent, I decided to add it in last, and I also added it in slowly because it does tend to clump up if you add it in too quickly. Did you get the shrimp?
When you know when it's done, when there's all floating up. Because if you had a question about that, I answered it.
Okay, so another thing that we did was we soaked all of our grill sticks in water, probably now for about 30 minutes. And one of the reasons why you do this is so it doesn't burn. So as Mari said, when the dumplings float up to the top of the water, they are ready to take out. After taking the dumplings out of the hot water, rinse them under cold water to cool them so it's easier to skewer. Once the consistency of the shoyu glaze thickens, it is ready. I decided to put the glaze into a cylinder cup so it is easier to dip after we skewer and grill the dango. Okay, so now we're just we're skewering the mochi on sticks on dango.
Is it hot?
And then what you can do is you can grill it on a grill to make it nice and toasty.
Oh, it's hot.
And then the sauce the soy sauce, the shoyu mixture that we made, we're gonna dip it in here, and then it'll be dango with. I guess we could already dip it in here, yeah? Or you think we should grill it first?
Let's grill it first.
Let's grill it first.
This is called kirimochi pitokire. It's basically sweet rice and water. And these are made for grilling, or you can microwave it to get it soft, or you can boil it.
Using dried mochi is definitely more convenient and easier than making dango. However, it was definitely harder to skewer and didn't stay on the sticks as well.
We're unboxing our grill. We just bought from Marukai. Okay, it's a traditional grill. It's made out of ceramic. See, from Japan. Okay, so here's our grill top. Where's my assistant? Oh, he's playing with his fire lightsaber. Okay, let's pour this out. Oh, it's like Christmas for adults. Wow, look at this. Look at these little mini grills. They look like they could be in Aiko's play kitchen, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
See where it goes? It goes right here. You gotta hold on to that, buddy. I'll show you what to do with it.
How come you know how to do it? And the instructions are right there, but you can't read
But it's in Japanese?
Yeah?
I mean, it's pretty simple, you know? I think these little grills go here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put underneath it like a fire starter or like newspaper and the charcoal on top. Put that grill on top. And then this is the little base for it. Okay, so let's place it on the ground here. I'm actually gonna have you start the fire. You're gonna start the fire.
Yeah.
So put one under each. Okay, and you're gonna light that. Okay, here's how I'm gonna show you how to use this. Okay, this is gonna take some strength. So you take your thumb, you push this down. At the same time, you pull this trigger.
Oh!
Okay?
Scary.
And pull the trigger. Here. Alright, I'll just do it. See?
It's like we got in Sherman. Yeah. Cool, right?
Gonna be like a marshmallow?
Heart?
Still steaming.
Heart? She's saying heart.
So during that time period, is there school?
What was that? Oh, you're there.
How is it?
Very good.
Is it how you remembered in Nihon?
Careful, sweetheart, careful.
I like how because it's grilled, it's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. And the flavor is just, you know, not too much, not too strong.
Wow, okay, let's walk this way. Oh yeah, here, let's see. She got it on the camera. Pretty good, yeah?
Very good. Oh. So bend down.
How hot is it?
It's not hot. Bend down.
Good.
So,
That's exciting.
That's good.
I go outside.
Okay, so for our yakimochi, which is grilled mochi, we grilled some of these, and what we can do with these is Kathy put together like a miso sauce. I'll put this recipe in the link of what we use, but this one we're just gonna put over it. I guess I could dip it in, like a miso mochi. So instead of mochi today being like a sweet dessert, it's more of a savory dessert and savory food that we're eating.
The miso sauce is delicious, very, very tasty. And the shoyu one is very light, but also tasty. And the shoyu kind of brings out more of the grilled flavor of the mochi itself. That's good. Yay! Yay! She's like, she's enjoying herself.
Here, I'll take this.
Delicious.
Thank you so much.
You can even go closer.
Do you like it, Mari?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
What's on yours? Do you describe it?
Well, this is the miso sauce, but I think I'm going to try the teriyaki sauce.
It's isobeyaki.
Oh, sorry.
How's the mochi, Grandma?
Good. That's right. Took it.
You don't even need a
Second
mochi
one.
maker.
Oh, your second one.
No.
Go eat.
She loves it that time.
Yeah, we're gonna grill it, cut it up, smoked.
Smoked taco.
See, I go for making tacos.
I've never had grilled mochi.
No.
Oh, miso now.
Even the kinako.
We're putting all of the sauces.
Giving her very little
Okay.
pieces.
Two.
Or you talk.
After Reed was done grilling the mochi, he then grilled the taco, and we also had some vegetable kebabs for dinner as well.
Turned out good. That was surprisingly. That was my first time ever trying one of those. We would see them in Japan, but we never tried them.
Hole here.
Do you feel like this grill that we got today is a good purchase?
Yeah, it's good. It's a very slow cooking grill though, because you can only put in so many pieces of charcoal into each side. But it's getting hot now.
Excited for the taco. Aiko is trying Mitarashi Dango for the first time. And she likes it.
Aiko, do you like the mochi?
Aiko, do you like the mochi? Yes? 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 Say mochi. Mochi.
So this taco we got from Marukai, and it said it was flown in from Japan. And to season it, it came already cooked, but to season it, put in some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and a little bit of thyme. And we're gonna try it now. Grilled it on the grill. Very good. You can taste the flavor. Very chewy. I think sometimes taco can be a little hard, a little tough. This one's very chewy. Good.
So that wraps our video up for today. I hope you enjoyed watching us make the Mitarashi Dango and also the Yakimochi, the grilled mochi on the Japanese grill. With all of the different toppings. It was a lot of fun to make, especially with the family. Everyone seemed to enjoy it, and it just gave a different flavor to mochi, other than it just being like a sweet treat that you have for dessert. So hope this gave you some other ideas. Let me know if you try this. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Mitarashi Dango.
What you making today?
Okay, Mom just spread potato starch. Pushing out Mom's spreading potato starch.
Some of these are, ooh, there's a hair on this one. Oh.
Here, eat that one.
That was your hair.
Everybody's hair is pulled up.
No, but my hair was nice.
I don't know.
Is it short? Because then that's Tanner's.
I think it is mine. I don't know why.